this type of calculation. And of course, that's only one part of the calculation. Now this is the part where we have one assumption that we make. We assume that we have enough zinc. Okay? There's a chemical reaction involving two different chemicals. Now, if you have 1.274 gram of copper sulfate, it requires a certain amount of zinc in order for the reaction to complete. Now, this assumption is that we have enough zinc. So all of the copper sulfate will be converted. What happens if you have two reactants? One of them runs out. If you run out of zinc during the reaction, no matter how much copper sulfate you have, you won't be able to convert it anymore. You won't be able to convert it into more copper because the reaction will stop when one of the reactants is used up. So in this particular case, we always assume there is one chemical that is in excess supply. We don't need to worry about the quantity there. But in reality, when you do calculation, you always have to worry about the quantity. You always have to figure out who is going to run out first. And that's a topic that we will introduce in the next learning objective, talking about the limiting reaction. It's almost 10 o'clock. I don't think I want to start a new learning objective halfway through. And we will pick up this topic on Monday. So tomorrow it's going to be your exam. And after exam, there's no lecture. And you go to the lab at 9:30. You finish lab. You start your weekend. No, you don't start your weekend. You don't have a weekend. Okay? You do your homework. You read your textbook. And if you have questions, you send me questions. All right? And you send me emails, and I'll try to answer, help you out.